Hi, T. 22 years ago, a man passed by me with a gorgeous manly smell. That spark of what I felt, incomparable. I recall sinabi ko sa pinsan ko, may crush ako at magiging boyfriend ko yan. And now, here with you with this dream from day one na maikasal sa'yo.
Noong unang beses kitang masilayan, hindi ko akalain na makakasama kita ngayon. Tila para kang isang paru-paro sa isang malaking hardin. Maraming nagagandang bulaklak na maaari makapagbigay sa iyo ng saya at tamis. Ngunit mas pinili mo dumapo sa isang puno.
This is not a typical love story, not any ordinary happily ever after. This is a story of patience, resilience, and forgiveness.
Isang punong walang kulay at walang maibigay na tamis. Sa kabila ng mga kakulangan ng puno, mapaso man ng araw, lamigin man ng ulan, hindi ka lumipad at umalis.
We've met both our worst demons, our imperfections, and I may say, life was never easy on us. But here we are, tested through rocky mountains and sky-high problems. And who would have thought that we would make it? Thank you for staying with me despite my flaws. Thank you for being a great father to our kids, Free, Liv, and Rix.
Lilipas ang panahon, ang mga dahon at sanga ay mawawala. Pero ang pagmamahal ko sa iyo ay siyang ugat ng punong iyon.
Thank you for being forbearant, even it took us this long. You genuinely waited and respected my life's decision. Salamat kasi kahit di na ako kamahal-mahal, you stayed and loved me more than what I deserve.
Matayog at matibay, hindi ka bibitawan sa kahit anong unos na dumating.
Congratulations po.
I love you.
Today starts a greater future for us. 22 years ago, today, I vow to faithfully love you when all hopes are unbearable, when all dreams seem impossible to reach, when odds are as dark as it may seem, when pain is deeper than way before. I'll stay by your side and continually love you the same way back, 2002.
Malagas man ang mga dahon at sanga, mananatili ang pagmamahal para sa iyo, ngayon, bukas, at magpakailanman. T, mahal na mahal kita.
I'll be your greatest love story ever told. Ikaw at ikaw ang pipiliin, ikaw hanggang sa huli. Love you more and always, T.